Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we'll be showing you how to easily merge two columns in Excel. In this example, we'll combine a person's first name and surname into one column. This method is super helpful if you have a lot of data to merge and want to avoid manually typing or copy-pasting everything. Let's dive in and see how it's done. Hi there. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Along with our amazing team, we're here to help you master Excel in the easiest way possible with bite-sized video tutorials. Let's get started on merging those columns. To merge two columns, the first thing you'll need to do is select the cell where you want your merged data to appear. For this example, we'll select cell D3. Just click on it to highlight it. Now up at the top, you'll see a button with FX on it. That's the Insert function button. Click on it, and a window will pop up. In this window, select the All category and then search for the function called Concatenate. Once you find it, click OK. A new window will appear, allowing you to easily combine the data from the columns you selected. The Concatenate function allows you to merge up to 255 different pieces of data into one cell. To start, you'll see two fields labelled Text 1 and Text 2. These are where you'll enter the data you want to combine. If you need more fields, don't worry. Just click on the last visible box, and Excel will automatically add more until you reach the 255 limit. Let's look at how to set this up. In Text 1, we'll put the first name. So click into the Text 1 field, then select the cell with the first name. In this case, B3. Now, if you want a space between the first name and surname, click into the Text 2 field and press the spacebar. You'll see Excel automatically put quotation marks around the space to show it's been added. Next, in Text 3, we'll add the surname. Click into that field and then select the cell that has the surname, cell C3. You'll instantly see a preview of the full name in the window. Once you're happy with how it looks, click OK to merge the names together. And that's it. The first name and surname are now combined into one cell, with no tedious typing or copy-pasting. Now, if you need to apply this to other rows, there's no need to repeat the steps for each one. Just place your cursor in the cell with the function, the one where you merge the names, and then drag the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell down across the rows where you want the function applied. Excel will automatically fill in the other names in the same format. One important thing to remember. If you ever need to update the merged text in the target cell, you'll need to change the data in the source cells, like the first name or surname. This is because the target cell doesn't actually contain the merged text. It just shows the result of the concatenate function. For example, if you want to change the name Tommy to John, go to cell B3, change the first name there, and the merged name in D3 will update automatically. And if you want to keep only the merged text without the concatenate function, that's simple too. Just copy the merged data by selecting the cell and pressing Ctrl+C. Then, right-click where you want to paste it, and choose Paste Special. In the options, select Values. This will replace the function with just the text, allowing you to work with it like any other normal data. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to merge columns in Excel quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.